The importance of pelvic stability is always underestimated. So what I want to show for you today is how to stabilise and progressively strengthen your glute medius muscle, which is important for lateral pelvic stability. So lateral pelvic stability is again the ability to be able to stand on one leg and keep your pelvis even without any hitching up or any dropping down and losing that pelvis height. So to be able to do that, you need to have good, strong glute medius, and I want to show you 3 different progressions from beginner to more advanced and functional on glute medius. The first one is just activating glute medius, side lying down onto the ground. You're going to just take one leg slowly up to the side, up towards the ceiling. Doesn't have to go very high. The higher you go, the more that you'll lose your neutral spine position. So you want to be able to keep the pelvis nice and steady, and it's basically hip moving in the hip socket. You're just taking the leg straight up to the ceiling and straight back down again. So that's how to start getting your glute medius activated. To progress from there, an easy way to do that in the gym is to come stand up, pop that around your knees. Now the band, if you've got a band going around your knees and you turn your feet just slightly outways, you have to activate some of your abductors in your hip to be able to maintain your leg alignment. If you let your glute medius go, your knees will want to just come straight back in towards each other. So you're holding isometrically out using glute medius, and then you're performing some squats. So just going straight down and up. Doesn't have to go very far. It's all about the contraction of the glute medius in the first place. To progress from there to a little bit more from 2 legs going into 1 leg to make it a little bit harder. A nice one to do, you can use a ball, bring the ball up against a wall, and you can stand with the ball in line with your hip, put your knee against the ball like so. You're going to be pushing your knee against the ball so that the outside leg, glute medius, the hip abductors, have to activate to maintain neutral pelvis position. So you can do static holds in this position, you can do little knee bends, little single leg squats, or you can take it into a running action as well. There's more progressions from there. So there are 3 ways of starting from beginner, going into more advanced, for retraining glute medius and lateral pelvic stability.